Hello everyone, my name is Lisa. I just kind of wanted to get a quick, or kind of make a quick video. So I went to the drugstore yesterday and I picked up the Wet n Wild, the Cushion Foundation, and the Photo Focus Foundation. I've heard many raves about this. So I kind of want to do a video about it and see how it is and everything. Plus I also picked up the Katy Perry Caddy, or what is it? Caddy Cat false lashes. I guess these are limited edition, or at least that's what it says on the box. But yeah, no, I just wanted to give a quick little video about this foundation and my thoughts on it and everything. And stick around to see what's going on in the video. So I know I'm filming actually in my bedroom and it looks like a mess. I'm sorry. I just kind of just woke up out of bed. Um, I did have a late night at Subway last night, so I got to bed. Well, I didn't get home until about 1, and I didn't get to bed until about 2, so that kind of shows how late I got home. Anyways, we'll prime our face with, of course, the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation, or primer. I still like her foundation. Um, Something that's a little more high-end, probably, if you, would be good for you, but I really like it. It's very hydrating. Um, My skin is dry and if I don't take a shower, let's say for a day, my skin gets very oily, so this is pretty good for that. Anyway, so to get into the foundation, so I got it in the shade Soft Ivory. I'm not even sure this is the correct shade for me. Well, I don't know, because I was messing with it last night and it seemed to be okay. But no, like, I keep hearing YouTubers like Tati and Laura Lee and Manny MUA, and they talk about how it smells like paint thinner, and I'm like, ha ha, you know what? No foundation is gonna smell like paint thinner. And I actually opened it up. You know what, guys? I'm not sure if it's paint thinner, but it smells. Honestly, to me, it smells more like paint. It smells more like paint than paint thinner. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe it's in the same category. But supposedly, like, this is a really great foundation. It only cost me $5.99, but since I live in California, so it's $5.99 with tax. But it's so far, like, this applicator is just so weird. I've never seen anything like it. But anyways, we will apply some on and see how it goes. Okay, so here we're back. I did put a little bit on. This is just so weird. Like, I've never seen an applicator do this. And then we take a beauty blender, of course, and just kind of pat that in there. Like, either I'm doing something wrong or this is. Maybe I need to put more on. Let's put more on. Yeah, we just kind of stick it on there and see what happens. Oh. I don't know, I think I grabbed too light of a color for my face. I don't know, I feel like it is. I know I'm supposed to bounce my foundation with the beauty blender, but by the time I sit there and bounced it, I'd be 80,000 years old, and I have great grandkids, so we don't have all day for that jazz now, do we? I think I messed up because it didn't. I don't think I damped this well enough. But You know what? For it smelling like paint, it actually is pretty good. It's very matte. It's very mattifying. It is full coverage. You know, that's of course you put a right amount on your face to begin with. Um, yeah, I guess people weren't joking with it. Like, it smells like paint thinner or paint. You know, to me, this smells like paint. I don't know. Maybe it's just weird. Maybe it does smell like paint thinner. I don't know. Or maybe they're the same. I don't know. And then this little contraption, it says, like, on the box here, it says it's a liquid foundation in a cushion compact, luminous, lightweight, buildable, and a hydrating formula. Oh, by the way, it is cruelty and vegan free. We may not forget about that. And also, this foundation is cruelty and vegan free. Okay, so when I was messing around with this yesterday when I bought it, this sponge right here can go. But, like, it's this little compact, and you open it up like this, and at first I'm like, what is this jazz? Like, what do we do? And then I saw that, like, you kind of, like, it's like a sponge. Like, the foundation's in the sponge. And let me tell you something, guys. This smells like your shampoo. Like, I don't see how they went from a foundation that smells like paint thinner to a liquid foundation and a compact like this cushion, to something that smells like your freaking shampoo. Like, it smells like Garnier or something like that. All that jazz. But I put it on top of my foundation here. It actually is very hydrating. Like, I can just feel it in my face. How dry or how hydrating this is. This is actually very... Was not expecting this, honestly. Good job, Red and Wild. Something tells me I did buy a shade maybe a little bit too light. I don't know. I'm like, what do you guys think? Did I pick the... I think it's just when I'm not in the sunlight and I'm just inside, it looks a little bit pale. But also, I'm not putting any other foundation on. It's just this. Oh, well. I guess this is gonna be the end of the video, you guys. I do say, for a budget-friendly foundation, if you can get past the smell of paint, I think that the Photo Finish foundation is good for you. I would do a little bit more research on the shade, or at least maybe I should have. But you know what? Just looking at my skin and on my face, like, I don't see any of my pores. You know, it just looks... Ooh. It just looks really nice, like, for a foundation. Like, I'm actually really impressed. Definitely, if I were to get this foundation, I would definitely get the cushion foundation with it. It does have SPF of 15, which, that's awesome. Because this girl needs to remain beauty. Well, on top of beauty sleep, she needs protection from the sun, girl. But definitely, I would get this. Like, and also, I was watching Tati make a review on this, and it said that, oh, like, if you just have a bad day, just use it as a touch up. You know, and she said that, this is good. Anyways, I hope you all stick around for the next video.